Today we discuss about matrices and determinant. What is matrices? Most of the data set are matrix type. In daily life, we in our household items or interior design, we make in matrix types. The front elevation of the house is the matrix types. Next, arrangement of number or elements. The definition, what is definition? The arrangement of numbers in rows and columns inside of a rectangular array is known as matrices. Here example 1 is a matrices and example 2 is not a matrices because the row 2 is incomplete. Next is use of the matrices in our daily life. Matrices used in mathematics, computer science, economics and helpful to solve the linear equations. Since it solves the linear equations, the representation of linear equation in matrix form. Consider the following set of linear equation: a11 x1 plus a12 x2 plus a13 x3 is equal to b1, a21 x1 plus a22 x2 plus a23 x3 is equal to b2, a31 x1, a32 x2 plus a33 x3 is equal to b3, where a11, a12, a13, a21, a22, a23, a31, a32 and a33 are known as the coefficient, and b1, b2, b3 be the constants and x1, x2, x3 be the variables, which can be written. This linear equation can be written in the matrix form of Ax plus b, where A matrix is a third order matrix and b is a matrix and x is a matrix given here. Consider the following set of equation. Suppose x plus y is equal to 7 and 3x minus y is equal to 5. That can be, this equation can be solved by elimination method or any other method. We easily can find out the value of x becomes 3 and y becomes 4. But what about the solving such type of equation whenever x plus y minus 2z is equal to 7, 2x minus y minus 4z is equal to 2, such type of equation that whenever is given, then that can be very tedious one to solve by elimination method. In that case, the matrices can help to solve this equation easily. Representation of data in matrix form. Suppose Office 1 and Office 2 uses computer, tablets and mobiles. This is given in this. Suppose we take Office 1 and Office 2 in column wise and computer, tablet and mobiles in row wise. We can also change, if we change Office 2 first row and first column and Office 1 becomes the second column, or Office 1, Office 2 can be changed to the row wise and computer, tablet can be replaced in column wise. There is no problem. Representation of data is the matrix form. Next is, what is definition of a matrix? The rectangular arrangement of array of data along with rows and columns enclosed by square bracket or simple bracket is known as matrix. Generally, the capital bold alphabets taken as the name of the matrix. Next is, what is order of matrix? If a matrix contains m rows and n columns, then order or dimension is m cross n. The number of elements of the above matrix is mn. Here we take an example. This is a matrix containing 4 rows and 4 columns. Row 1 containing 1856, row 2 containing 2797, row 3 containing 3478 and row 4 containing 4949. Similarly, column 1 containing 1234, column 2 containing 8749, column 3 containing 5974. Generally, rows taken from the left to right and column from the top to bottom. In that case, the order of the above matrix is 4 cross 4 and number of elements becomes 4 into 4, that is 16. Next, we go to general form of matrix. Generally, the elements are written in the form of Aij form. This is the general form of matrix. A is a matrix containing the elements A11, A12, A1n2, AM1, AM2, AMn. Here number Aij are called the elements. The first subscript I stands for the row and second subscript indicate the column. The matrix consists of mn elements. Here it is called mn matrix, where Aij be the element. Suppose we say A34. Suppose we say A34. That means A34 is be an element in the matrix which consists in third row and fourth column. Third row and fourth column. Next, construct another question is construct a 2 cross 2 matrix whose elements are given by Aij is equal to I plus j. Construct a matrix of order 2 cross 3 whose elements are Aij is equal to half times of I minus 3j. Solution of equation 1. Given that matrix of order 2 cross 2, the elements becomes Aij, that is equal to I plus j. 2 cross 2 matrix is given by कहते हैं ना in that form A11, A12, A21, A22. Here Aij is given I plus j. In that case I becomes 1, j becomes 1. That becomes 1 plus 1, that matrix becomes 2, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, 2 plus 1 becomes 3 and 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Similarly, the second given Aij becomes 1 by 2 I minus 3j mod. Construct a 3 cross 3 matrix. 3 cross 3 matrix. Question 2. Construct a 3 cross 3 matrix where Aij becomes half times of modulus of I minus 3j. First we construct a 3 cross 3 matrix in general form, that is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, that is equal to half I minus 3j. 1 minus 3 1. 1 minus 3 that is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 the mod becomes 2. 2 by 2 is equal to that becomes 1. Similarly, 1 minus 3 into 2. 1 minus 6. 1 minus 6 is equal to minus 5. Minus 5 the mod becomes 5. 5 by 2. Similarly, A13 becomes 1 minus 3 into 3. 3 into 3 9. 1 minus 9 that becomes minus 8. The mod 8. 8 by 2 that becomes 4. Similarly, A21 2 minus 3 into 1. 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 becomes minus 1. The mod becomes 1. That is 1 by 2. Similarly, 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6 that becomes minus 4. Minus 4 the mod becomes 4. 4 by 2 that becomes 2. Similarly, A23 becomes 2 minus 3 minus 3 9. 2 minus 3 2 minus 9 becomes 7. Minus 7 the mod becomes 7 by 2. That becomes 7 by 2. Similarly, A31 3 minus 3 0. 0 by 2 that becomes 0. Similarly, 3 minus 3 into 2 6. 3 minus 6 minus 3. Minus 3 the mod becomes 3. 3 by 2. Similarly, 3 minus 9 minus 6. 6 by 2 is equal, that becomes 3. This is a 3 cross 3 matrix where Aij that becomes half times of modulus of I minus 3j. Next is types of matrix. What is row matrix? A matrix is said to be row matrix if it contains only one rows. That is, an m cross n matrix is a row matrix if m is equal to 1. Here is the example 1. A is a matrix where row matrix containing the element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only here is the row is becomes 1 and number of columns becomes 5. Similarly, column matrix, a matrix is said to be a column matrix if it contains only one column. That is, in an m cross n matrix is called a column matrix if n is equal to 1. Next is what is square matrix? Square matrix, if the number of rows and is equal to the number of columns, then it is said to be a square matrix. Here is the example 1, 2, 3, 4, that is a square matrix. Next is rectangular matrix. A matrix is said to be rectangular if number of rows and number of columns are unequal. That is, here is the A, B, C, D, E, F. This is the example of a rectangular matrix. Next is zero matrix or null matrix. A matrix is said to be a null matrix if all the elements are 0. That means the number of the elements in rows and columns all are 0. This is the example of a null matrix. Next is what is diagonal matrix? A square matrix with all its leading diagonal elements are non-zero and other elements are 0 is said to be a square matrix. First of all, diagonal matrix we have, this is a square matrix. The leading diagonal elements means from the left top to right bottom, the diagonal is known as leading diagonal or principal diagonal. The other diagonal is known as secondary diagonal. Here is the example. Here is example 1, 2, 3, 4, where the main diagonal or leading diagonal is elements is 1, 4 and secondary diagonal is element is 2, 3. Next is scalar matrix. In a diagonal matrix whose leading diagonal elements are equal, this is a scalar matrix. Here is the example of a scalar matrix 2, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 2. Next is what is unit matrix? In a scalar matrix, if the leading diagonal elements are unit, then it is called unit matrix or identity matrix. It is denoted by IN. IN means this is unit matrix. I2 becomes now 1, 0, 0, 1. I3 means unit matrix of order 3 becomes 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Similarly, IN becomes now 1, 0, 0 up to 0, 0, 1, 0, 0 up to 0, up to ... 0, 0, 0 up to 1. This is the nth unit matrix. Next is triangular matrix. Triangular matrix is two types. One is upper triangular matrix, another is lower triangular matrix. What is upper triangular matrix? In a square matrix, the leading diagonal elements and the above the leading diagonal elements, if non-zero and other elements are 0, it is known as upper triangular matrix. Similarly, in a square matrix, if the leading diagonal elements and below the leading diagonal elements are non-zero and other elements are 0, is known as lower triangular matrix. Next is what is strictly, this is the example of a upper triangular matrix and this is the example of a lower triangular matrix. Next is what is strictly upper triangular matrix and strictly lower triangular matrix. Strictly means whenever the leading diagonal elements, the elements of the above leading diagonal elements are non-zero and other elements are 0, is a strictly upper triangular matrix, and leading diagonal elements below the leading diagonal elements are non-zero and other elements are 0, is known as strictly lower triangular matrix. I give an example of strictly upper triangular and lower triangular. Suppose A is a matrix 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0. This is a square matrix. The leading diagonal elements and below the leading diagonal elements are non-zero and above the leading diagonals are 0. So, this is a strictly diagonal upper triangular matrix. Similarly, we define strictly lower triangular matrix. Next is equality of two matrices. two matrices A and B are said to be equal whenever the order of A and order of B becomes same. Next, all the elements of A are equal to the corresponding elements of B. First of all, the two matrices equal by the order be same and the corresponding elements are same. Suppose here is an example two matrices. Suppose A is a matrices 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is a matrices x, y, z double. These two matrices are equal. This is A is a matrices of order 2 cross 2 and B is also matrices of order 2 cross 2. Then A equal to B means x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 3 and w is equal to becomes 4. Next is trace of a matrix. In a square matrix A, the sum of the leading diagonal elements is called the trace of A. Here example, if A is a matrix 1, 2, 3, 0, 4, 5, 7, 6, 1, this is a 3 cross 3 order matrix, this is a square matrix. Here trace of A becomes 1 plus 4 plus 1, that becomes 6. Similarly, example 2, if B is a matrix containing the element 1, 2, 3, 4, this is a square matrix of order 2. Here trace of B becomes the sum of the leading diagonal elements. Sum of the leading diagonal elements becomes 1 plus 4, that becomes 5. That is called the trace of matrix. Next is algebraic operation on matrices. Algebraic operation on matrices. Generally, algebraic operation means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Here we take algebraic operation on matrices means we take the addition and subtraction of the two matrices and scalar multiplication of the two matrices and multiplication of two matrices. Addition and subtraction. Two matrices may be added if they are the same order. Next, the simply add or subtract the corresponding element. Here is an example. Suppose A is a 3 cross 2 matrices and B is a 3 cross 2 matrices. We add or subtract, A plus B becomes 1 plus 5. This is a 3 cross 2 matrices and B is a 3 cross 2 matrices. Hence, the addition can be performed. That means addition is possible. And A plus B, that with the sum of the corresponding addition of the corresponding elements. 1 plus 5, 2 plus 4, 4 plus 6, 3 plus 9, 5 plus 7, 7 plus 8, that becomes 6, 6, 6, 6, 10, 12, 12 and 15. Similarly, subtraction of two matrices. If A is a 3 cross 3 matrices and B is a 3 cross 3 matrices, find A plus B and A minus B. This is the home task for you. We can find out subtract and addition of the two matrices. Question number 2, that is, if A is a matrices of order 2 cross 3 and B is a matrices of order 2 cross 3, then we can easily find out A plus B and A minus B. Next is, what is scalar multiplication of matrices. If we multiply a scalar in a matrices, then this scalar can be multiplied in each element of the matrices. That means, this scalar is multiplied in each rows and each columns. Here, if A is a matrices is a order 3 cross 3 order matrices. Suppose A is a matrices A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Then k times of A means if k is a scalar multiplied in a matrix, then k is multiplied in each element of the matrix, that becomes k A1, k A12, k A13, that becomes the scalar multiplication of matrix. Here is an example of, suppose A is a matrix containing element 1, 2, 7, 3, 4, 8 and 5, 6, 8. Then 10A, where 10 is a scalar and A is a matrix, that 10A becomes 10, 20, 70, 30, 40, 80, 50, 60 and 80. Problem for practice. This is a problem given for you for your practice. Here example, I work out one of the problem. Suppose number 5 is given, is A is a matrices 1, 2, 0, 4. A is a matrices given 1, 2, 0, 4 and 2, 4, minus 1, 3. 2, 4, minus 1, 3. This is a 2 2 cross 4 matrix, and Bj matrix is given by 2 1 0 3, 2 1 0 3, and second column is given by 1 minus 2 2 3, 1 minus 2 2 3. We have to find, both are A and B are 2 cross 4 matrix. We have to find out x such that A minus 2x is equal to 3b. A minus 2x is equal to 3b. A minus 2x is equal to 3b. We have to find the x matrices. Find the x matrices. তাহলে how to find out? তাহলে a minus 2x is equal to 3b. তাহলে 2x is equal to কত? 2x is equal to a minus 3b. a is equal to, তাহলে this is equal to a matrix কত? That becomes 1 2 0 4 2 4 minus 1 3 minus 3 times of b matrix. 3 is a scalar and 3 multiplied in the matrix B. That means 3 is multiplied in each elements. Multiplied in each elements. Then 3 is multiplied in each element. We have 6, 3, 0, 9, 3, minus 6, 6, 9. This is a 2 cross 4 matrix. Also this is a 2 cross 4 matrix, and we subtract, we have that becomes kete asibo. 1 minus 6, that is equal to minus 5, 2 minus 3, that makes minus 1, 0 minus 0, that becomes 0, 4 minus 9, that becomes minus 5, 2 minus 3, that becomes minus 1, 4 minus 6, 4 minus minus 6, that becomes 10, minus 1 minus 6, that becomes minus 7, 3 minus 9, that becomes minus 6. Then we have 2x is equal to this one. Then this implies that x becomes half times of this one. Now half is a scalar and this is a matrix. Then half is multiplied in each term of the matrix. Then that becomes, then this implies that x becomes kate asibo, that becomes minus 5 by 2 minus half 0 minus 5 by 2, that becomes minus 1 by 2, that becomes 5 minus 7 by 2, and that becomes minus 3. Then x becomes a, this is the x matrix, which is also a 2 cross 4 matrix. Next is find number 7, find additive inverse of this matrix. Additive inverse means we have to find minus of each elements of the elements. Here find the additive inverse of matrix 5, 10, 9, 1 minus 3 6, minus 2 7, 11. That becomes additive inverse matrix becomes minus 5, minus 10, minus 9, minus 1, 3, 6, minus 2, minus 7 and 11. Two matrices A and B will be multiplied whenever column of first matrix is equal to the row of the second matrix. If A is a matrix of order m cross p whose elements in the form of Aij, and B is a matrix of order p cross n whose elements are in the form of Bij, then AB is defined as a matrix whose order becomes Mn and element becomes is in the form of Cij, where Cij is equal to summation of k varies from 1 to p Aik Bkj, where I less than is equal to m and greater than is equal to 1 and j is less than is equal to n and greater than is equal to 1. Next is rules of matrix multiplication. The matrix multiplication is possible whenever I have already told the column of the first matrix is equal to the row of the second matrix. The matrix multiplication is row column wise. The first row of product matrix AB is obtained by multiplying the first row of A with the first, second and third column of B. Similarly, the second row of product matrix AB is obtained by multiplying the second row with first and second, third column of B. Similarly, the third row of the product matrix AB is obtained by multiplying the third row with first, second, third column of. Here is an example. Suppose A is a matrix 1 4 3 9 and B is a matrix 2 8 7 5. Then A cross B is first row of A matrix 1 4 सहित we have to multiply 2 7. ताले 1 into 2 plus 4 into 7. Similarly, 1 4 सहित 8 5 we have to multiply, that becomes 1 8 into 4 into 5. Similarly, second row of first matrix with first column and second column of the B matrix, that becomes 3 into 2 plus 9 into 7. Similarly, the fourth element we can have 3 into 8 plus 9 into 5, that becomes AB matrix becomes 30 28 69 and 69. That is first row containing 30 and 28 and second column containing 69 and 69. These are the some problems for practice. Now, I work out the problem number 3. If A is a matrix 2 cross 2 matrix having element 3 2 4 1 and B is also a 2 cross 2 matrix having element AB 3 5, find AB such that AB is equal to BA. Tale here we solve this problem. Tale here A is a matrix, here A is a matrix 3 2 4 1, 3 2 4 1, 3 2 4 1 and B is a matrix which is AB 3 5, AB 3 5, A B 3 5. We have to find the value of AB if AB is equal to BA. Both A and B are matrices having order 2 cross 2. Hence, AB product is possible and BA product is possible. Then we have to know, we know the equality of two matrices. Accordingly, we have to find the value of A and B. First, we have to find out AB, product of two matrices. A matrix is 3 into 4, 4 into 1, product area A, B, 3, 5. The product is possible whenever the first row of first matrix with first and second column of the second matrix. So, 3A into 4 into 3, 4 into 3 is equal to plus 12. Similarly, 3B 4 into 5 plus 20, and the second row of first matrix with first column and second column of the second matrix, that is equal to 4A plus 3. Similarly, 4B plus 5, that becomes AB. Next, we have to find out BA. BA means AB 3 5 3 4 3 4 4 1. Then we have the first row of first matrix with first column and second column of the second matrix. Then that becomes 3A plus 4B then 4a plus b, 3 into 3, 9 plus 20, second row with first column, second row with second column, 3 into 4 is that is equal to 12 plus 5. So that is equal to that becomes 3a plus 4b, 4a plus b, that is equal to 29, that is equal to 17. Now AB is equal to BA. Two matrices are equal whenever first their order is same and corresponding elements are same. Tale AB is a matrix having order 2 cross 2 and B is a matrix having order 2 cross 2. Tale have the same order, the corresponding elements are same. Corresponding elements means the second, tale 4a plus 3 is equal to 29. Taking tale AB is equal to BA, AB is equal to BA, tale this implies that 4a is equal to 29. 4a plus 3 is equal to 29. 4a plus 3 9, 4a plus 3 is equal to 29. 4a corresponding elements, that is this is the element of the second row and first column, and in BA second row and first column re achi 29. Then 4a plus 3 is equal to 29. Then this implies that 4a is equal to 29 minus 3 is equal to 26. Then this implies that a is equal to 26 by 4 is equal to 13 by 2. Similarly, 4a plus b is equal to 17. So 4b plus 7, 4b plus 5 is equal to 17. So this implies that 4b is equal to 17 minus 5. 17 minus 5 is that is equal to 12. So this implies that b is equal to 12 by 4, that becomes 3. Similarly, we are taking 3b plus 20 is equal to 3b plus 20 is equal to 4a plus 4b. Now we can solve and find the value of AB. Next, we work out the problem 9. If A is a matrix 3 cross 3 matrix containing elements 1 2 2 2 1 2 2 2 1, then prove that A square is equal to 4a plus 5i. Here given A is a matrix, here given A is a matrix 1 2 2, A is a matrix 1 2 2 2 1 2 2 2 1 2 2 1 2 2 1, so that A square is equal to 4a plus 5i, 4a plus 5i. I stands for here, I stands for the unit matrix. Here A is a matrix having order 3 cross 3. Then we can easily find out A square. Then now we have to find out, now we have to LH side. Then A square becomes A square becomes 1 2 2 2 1 2 2 2 1. A matrix multiplication 1 2 2 2 1 2 2 2 1. This is order 3 cross 3. This is order 3 cross 3. Then A square is a matrix having also the same order 3 cross 3. Then this is equal to the matrix product can be done by the first row multiplied with the first column, second column and third column of the second matrix. Then 1 into 1, that means 1, 2 into 2 is equal to plus 4, 2 into 2 plus 4. Then 1 into 2, that is equal to 2 plus 2 into 1, 2, plus 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Then 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 2 plus 4, 2 into 1 that is equal to plus 2. Similarly, second row with first column, second column and third column. 2 into 1, 2 plus 1 into 2, 2 plus 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Then 2 into 2, 4 plus 1 into 1, 1 plus 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Then 2 into 2 is equal to 4 plus 1 into 2 is equal to 2 plus 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Something 2 into 1 is equal to 2, 2 into 2 plus 4 plus 1 into 2 is equal to 2. So, the third row with second column, 2 into 2 that is equal to 4 plus 2 into 1, 2 plus 1 into 2 is equal to 2. Something 2 into 2 this is equal to 4, 2 into 2 plus 4, 1 into 1 is equal to 9. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So, that becomes 9, 8, 8, 8, 9, 8, 9, 8, 8, 8, 9, 8, 8, 9. This is A square matrix having order 3 cross 3. This is we have left hand side. Now, we have to find out the right hand side RHS 4a plus 5i, 4a plus 5i that is equal to 4a. A matrix becomes कहते now 1 2 2 2 1 2 2 2 1 plus 5i. Here we choose I becomes the unit matrix having order 3. That becomes 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Here 4 is a scalar multiplied in a matrix, that means 4 is multiplied in each element of the matrices. That becomes 4 into 2 8, 4 into 2 is equal to 8, 4 into 2 is equal to 8, 4 into 1 is equal to 4, 4 into 2 is equal to 8, 4 into 2 is equal to 8, 4 into is equal to 8, 4 plus 1 is equal to 4, plus that becomes 5 is a scalar multiplied in a unit matrix, that 5 is multiplied in each element, then we have 5 0 0 0 5 0 0 0 5. This is a 3 cross 3 order matrix and also this is a 3 cross 3 order matrix. Hence, matrix addition is performed and we add corresponding elements. 5 4 plus 9, 4 plus 5 is equal to 9, 8 plus 0 becomes 8, 8 plus 0 becomes 8, similarly 8 plus 0 becomes 8, 4 plus 5 is equal to 9, 8 plus 0 becomes 8, similarly 8 plus 0 becomes 8, 8 plus 0 becomes 8, 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 4a plus 5a is equal to 9 8 8 8 9 8 8 8 9 and we have a square madhya. A square we have a square is equal to now 4a plus 5 times of I. We have 4a plus 5 times of I. Next, we go to the properties of matrices. If A, B, C are 3 matrices are conformable, that means addition and product is conformable. For the condition addition pai both the matrices are same order and product by the column matrix, column of the first matrix is equal to the row of the second matrix. If matrices A, B, C are conformable, then matrix addition is commutative. That means A plus B is equal to B plus A. Similarly, matrix addition is associative. That is A plus B plus C, that can be A plus B plus C. Similarly, if lambda is a square, then distributive property also hold. That means lambda times of A plus B is equal to lambda A plus lambda B. Next, A times of B plus C is equal to A B plus A C. That is matrix is distributive. Similarly, A plus B into C is equal to A C plus B C. Matrix multiplication is associative. That is A into B C is equal to A B into C, but A B not is equal to B A. That means matrix multiplication is not commutative. If A B is equal to 0, not necessarily A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0. Similarly, if A B is equal to S C, not necessarily implies B is equal to C. That means cancellation law will not hold for matrices. Properties of matrix. Next is A B ro inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse. We later on discuss the inverse matrix. Similarly, we later on discuss transpose of matrix. Transpose of a matrix A is equal to A itself. Similarly, lambda times of A ro transpose becomes lambda times A transpose. A plus B ro transpose becomes A transpose plus B transpose. A B ro transpose becomes B transpose and A transpose, where we define transpose of a matrix. If A is a matrix, then A is A transpose of a matrix denoted by A to the power T by A dash and defined as interchanging the rows and columns of the matrix. Here is an example. Suppose A is a matrix 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, which is a 2 cross 3 matrix. Then transpose of A is denoted by A T is equal to, that becomes now 1, 4, 2, 5 and 3, 6. That means if order of A matrix is m cross n, then transpose matrix, order of transpose matrix becomes n cross m. We have already discussed about the properties of transpose matrix. That means transpose of A is equal to A plus B ro transpose becomes A transpose plus B transpose. A into B ro transpose becomes B transpose into A transpose. And if order of A is m cross n, then order of A transpose is n cross m. This is practical problem. Suppose here is a given a problem to work out. Suppose A is a matrix 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is a matrix 3, 1, 2, 5. Then find A dash B dash, A plus B dash, A dash B dash. Verify A dash A B dash is equal to B dash A dash if A is a matrix and B is a matrix. Similarly, A, B, C are 3 matrices are given. We can verify A, B, C ro dash becomes C dash B dash A dash. Now we work out the suppose problem 1. So, A is a matrix 2, 3, 4, 5. A is a matrix given 2, 3, 4, 5. A is a matrix given 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is a matrix is given 3, 1, 2, 5, 3, 1, 2, 5, 3, 1, 2, 5. Find A dash plus B dash, A B dash, A plus B dash, A plus B dash, etc. Then A is given, then this implies that A dash can be obtained by interchanging rows and columns. That means 2, 3 becomes row, we have 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly, we have B dash by interchanging rows and columns 3, 1, 2, 5. पहले A dash plus B dash becomes कहते हैं ए डैश प्लस बी डैश बिकम्स कहते 2 + 3 इज इक्वल टू कहते 5, 4 + 2 इज इक्वल टू 6, 3 + 1 is equal to 4, 5 + 5 is equal to 10. Similarly, we have AB. AB is equal to कहते A plus B. A plus B correspondingly add the corresponding element. तो 2 + 3 is equal to कहते ना 5, 3 + 1 is equal to 4, 4 + 2 is equal to 6, 5 + 5 is equal to 10. तले A plus B dash is that becomes कहते now changing rows and columns. Then that becomes 5, 4, 6, 10. 5, 4, 6, 10. Similarly, we have A, B dash, etc. we can find out easily. Next is what is symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Matrix A is said to be symmetric if transpose of A is equal to A is called symmetric. Here and always A plus A transpose must be symmetric. Here is an example. A is a matrix 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, -5, 3, -5, 6 is a symmetric matrix. What is skew symmetric matrix? A matrix A is said to be skew symmetric if A transpose is equal to -A. That means AJI is equal to minus times of AIJ. A minus A transpose must be always skew symmetric. Next we have one theorem. Every matrix can be expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. We prove this theorem. Every matrix can be expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. Suppose A is a matrix, then A can be written as half times of A plus A, that is equal to half times of again A plus A transpose minus A transpose. So we write that can be written A plus A transpose plus A minus A transpose. So we know that A plus A transpose is always a symmetric matrix and A minus A transpose always be a skew symmetric matrix. So every matrix A can be expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Next, some problems are given here regarding symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Express number 1, express a matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Now, I work out this problem. A is a matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We express this matrix as sum of symmetric and anti-symmetric matrix. So this implies that A transpose becomes कहते transpose of A matrix becomes कहते now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So A matrix can be written as half times of A plus A transpose plus A minus A transpose. This is symmetric matrix and this is skew symmetric matrix. So every matrix is expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Thank you to all of you.